Hi everyone. Okay, here is one of my recent lessons about decluttering from my amazing time with my friend Peggy, who I hired to come out and stay with me for 7 days, and we did a massive declutter. So this lesson is about fragmentation, what I learned about fragmentation, which means having like things in your home, living in different areas. That could be anything. It could be dog stuff. It could be specific kinds of books, first aid supplies, sporting gear. I'm just thinking of the different things that I had. Even in your bathroom, like different shampoos or creams or sunscreens. Food in your cabinets and in your fridge, kind of spread around, like things living in various different places. So here's the downside, couple of downsides to that. One is when you're going to look for something, because it lives in various places, you've got to look in various places, which requires energy and time and scattering yourself and your own energy around. Plus, because it could be here, or it could be here, or it could be there, it could be anywhere. Whatever you're looking for could be anywhere, because you don't have a specific place that it lives. And so you're often not able to find it, and so you go buy it again. And then like 6 months later, a year later, you stumble across it and go, oh, there's that thing that I bought a new one to replace because I didn't know if I couldn't find it anywhere. Okay, so that's issue A. And then issue B is if it's okay to have anything living anywhere, you'll put anything anywhere. And that makes it very easy to keep stuff, because you're not aware that I'm getting a lot of this particular thing, or I already have 3 of this particular thing. And so it encourages the keeping and accumulation of more stuff than you need, because you're not aware of how much you actually have. Whereas if you have a specific place where this thing only lives, this kind of thing only lives in this kind of place, then when you go to put a new of that thing into that place, you're going to see that, oh, I'm running out of room here. There's not room for more of this thing here. Why? Because, oh, look at that. I already have 2 of them. And so if I'm going to keep this one, I'm not going to have space to keep all of it. So if I'm going to keep this one, then I've got to look at what I have similar of this thing in this place and let something go. So keeping things contained together, like things in like areas, actually encourages not accumulating more than you need or more than you're aware that you have. So that is the physical form lesson on fragmentation. Of course, there's always a parallel spiritual lesson about it, energetic lesson about it. And I will save that for another video. But I hope that helps. Like, just have a look in your home. Where do you do that? And what would it be like if you started to say this stuff in this area and this stuff in this area? How would that help you live a less cluttered life? Okay, take care. Talk to you guys next time for the next insight that I had.